Ever wondered why broccoli is considered a super veggie? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Broccoli, it's not just a green veggie, but a powerhouse of essential nutrients. This humble veggie is a star player in the world of health, packed to the brim with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's like the Swiss Army knife of nutrition, a versatile veggie with a multitude of health benefits. From boosting our immune system with its rich vitamin C content, to protecting our cells from damage with its antioxidant power, broccoli is a force to be reckoned with. It's a heart hero, a bone builder, a digestion aid, and a detoxifier. It's an inflammation fighter and an eye health enhancer. And let's not forget, it's a weight management wonder, low in calories but high in nutrients and fiber. Now that we've unveiled the super veggie, let's dive into the sea of its health benefits. Broccoli isn't just a green veggie, but a powerhouse of essential nutrients that your body needs. Let's delve into the numerous health benefits this super vegetable offers. First off, broccoli is rich in vitamin C, acting as a natural guard, bolstering the immune system and fortifying the body's defense against infections. Moreover, broccoli houses a remarkable antioxidant called sulforaphane. This compound plays a vital role in shielding our cells from damage, thus potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. When it comes to heart health, broccoli is a triple threat. Its fiber, potassium, and antioxidants team up to combat cholesterol and inflammation, promoting a healthier heart. Broccoli is also a champion for bone health. High in calcium and vitamin K, it fortifies your bones and helps stave off conditions like osteoporosis. Digestive health gets a boost from broccoli too. Its fiber content aids digestion, supports a healthy gut, and can help keep constipation at bay. Broccoli is also a detox hero. It contains compounds that assist the body in flushing out harmful substances, contributing to overall detoxification. Additionally, the antioxidants and phytochemicals in broccoli exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation within the body. Broccoli is also a friend to your eyes. It's rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that support eye health and may prevent age-related macular degeneration. Lastly, if you're watching your weight, broccoli is a fantastic ally. Low in calories but high in nutrients and fiber, it can aid in weight loss and management. With all these health benefits, it's clear why broccoli is a super veggie. In a nutshell, broccoli offers a wide array of health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. This humble green veggie boosts your immune system, shields your cells with its antioxidant power, supports your heart, bones, and digestive health. It helps detoxify your body, eases inflammation, safeguards your eyes, and even aids in weight management. Incorporating broccoli into your meals is a delicious and simple way to enhance your health. So the next time you see this green veggie, remember it's not just broccoli, it's super broccoli.